So I have this strange looking grass. And I need to find a good replacement. Something like that. So I was thinking that since I can see the grid, why not go with it, you know? Just make the grid more greedy. So let's see, tile both. Oops. Like this and like this. Wait. This there. This is just for reference. Let's see how it looks. Interesting. Okay, I'm not sure what I'm going to do. Something like this, or like that. Let's see. Interesting. Interesting. So let's see. What if I change this here? And do it like this, right? There. So this goes like this. Maybe that's too much. There, let's see. Ew. Creates like a weird blurry effect. Let's see. Can I? No. Maybe if I do it like this. Not sure about that. Okay, I think it looks nice. So there is just this bit missing. There. Maybe I can remove this. This is like a bit too much. Okay, I think this is good enough. It's nice. Let's see how it looks on the game. Alright, I screwed up something. So as you can see, the grass layer got like corrupted or something. Let's check that out. So there we go. We have that. Oh, it's because of that. Because of that thing. Maybe it's because of this. So grass layer, grass layer. Not sure which one is it. Was main terrain, grass layer. So let's see. Okay. Okay, runtime. Oh, it's because I changed the contrast. Oh, look at that. It changed. So can I inverse it? Wait a second. So let me see. There we go, that's much better. Whoa. So let's see. Again, contrast. Contrast. 100. Intensity. Less intense. Let's do 4. Selector. Okay, let's see. So this is wrong. Maybe I should change this. Selector, blur, intensity. So this is much less intense. Blur. Super blurry. Contrast. There. Why not? Let's do 100. What's this? Yes, that's okay. I'm not sure. Let's do a map, modifiers, blend, output, direction. Modifiers, normalize, let's do minus, No. Minus 100. Okay. Yikes. Minus contrast. Should it be like this? Maybe like that. Let's try. Yep, that's better. Shouldn't be so close to the edge though. Erosion slope. Cavity selector. So this blurs it. Okay. Let's see this. So it's a little bit farther away from the edges, I mean from the cliffs. Okay, this works. Works okay, maybe. A little bit more away. There. Let's see. So this is down sample. That's 2.1. 1. Oh. What? Okay, let's try that. So there are far less resources now. Maybe I can do some blur to see what happens. Minus. Let's do like this. Alright, this is better. It's like there is too many resources, but the placing is fine. Let's see how it looks. Oh, right. I screwed up the card interactions. So it looks good here, but not here. Interesting. Okay, so I guess it's enough. Let's see. So I wanted to change this so I can have less resources. I have random positions. That's actually treasures quantity. Oh, great treasures, yes. Randomize resources. Resources counter. Total resources quantity. Resources position list. Let's do this. Okay. That's like too much. 8. Okay. Yeah, that's much better. So let's take a look at this. I have the cavity. Let's see, what's this spread? Contrast. Wait a second. Less contrast. What's going on with this? Oh, I see. So let's see, intensity. Oh. 0. Contrast. contrast too. Right. So I need it like this. Let's play with that a little bit. Look at that. Okay, let's change that. Okay, can I move this? So you can see smooth. Whoa. So only the rocks have a little bit of smoothness. Okay, no smoothness. Let's not overcomplicate things. Okay, I think that's enough. So here I have this input controller. I have input actions. What's this? Okay, input actions generator. Input actions there. So let's create our own input actions. Let's go here, custom input actions. Let's create so how do I do this? Behavior. There, input actions. Loop warriors input actions. There. So what does this mean exactly? No, not this. This. Let's check this. So, action maps. Let's ask Grok in Unity 6. What are action maps in a few words? Groups, player UI, like keyboard gamepad, and give me examples of how it should be used. Organize. Group related. 3D platformer game where the player controls the character. But if he goes into a menu, player actions, okay, WASD or left stick, UI, actions navigate, select button. Okay, so it's for the same thing, I guess. So switch current action map or UI player. I guess I get it. Driving and photo modes. Okay, switch current action map. So this is the action map. Okay. So custom action. So let's say map camera controls. So this new action how was this? How should I move it, this thing? Okay, so I have these input controllers. I have many south and so on. Camera controls. So I have this left stick. What's up there, you? So I have input controller. Okay, south, east, north. Can I copy? Let's just not save. So I have this here. Let's just delete this. Yes. Can I custom input actions? There. Bye. Wait, don't delete it. Input actions Castle games. No, bro, don't apply. There, delete. Konami XR. What? Okay, rename. Map camera controls. There, UI. Okay. So I have this camera, and let's do this. I can't do this. Let's check controllers, autosave. So I have south, there, east. Wait, can I not do this? No. Jim K. Wait a second. Oh, look at this. Okay. Let's close this. So I have this free fly. Right forward. Okay, stick. South. What? Okay, never mind. So I have east, north, west, right shoulder, left shoulder, start, select, left stick press, right stick press, touchpad press, left stick, right stick, D-pad, left trigger, right trigger, and I'm missing shoulder, left shoulder. Okay, west is missing too. West. There. A space cross. So how do I rotate? Rotation enabled. Why do I change this? Rotation enabled. West. Okay, so west is new one there. Oh, listen there. Right button. What's going on? West was it? Listen, listen, right button. Listen, right button. Listening, right button. Okay. Let's check. Nothing happens. Isn't that great? Isn't that great? What the freak? Goodbye. So I have this. All right. GMK controller. That's this. So it's falling right shoulder. East. Okay, what about the event system? No, brother, no. There. Action asset. Custom input actions. Input actions asset. There. Save. Let's see. Okay, nice. So I need to assign two more things. Is rising, so right, left and right shoulder. Okay, let's see. Left is one more. Listen, Q. What's there? Listen, Q. Q. And right shoulder Add. No, brother. Come on. Listen E. Great. So this is for going up and down. Okay, yes. Doesn't even work. Whoop, whoop. Okay. What's going on here? Is rising, is falling. Okay. E. Keyboard mouse. F. F. No. Q. Left. Shift. No. So this is for keyboard and mouse. Q and E. Let's see. Okay, Shift R F Q E. Nothing works. Q, keyboard, E, shoulder R, shoulder L. Is this right? Shoulder, left shoulder and right shoulder. Inputs, right stick is rising. That should be enough. Height input. Yep, that should be enough. Right shoulder key pressed. Button Q. Keyboard, what's this? T. Okay. Oh, I think I got something. Let me see. No, shoulder. There is like a conflict. Because this is assigned twice. And this is assigned twice too. Let's check again. There, so I have east west, north. North is 3. And right shoulder is 5. Shoulder R. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Left stick. What left stick? Stick left. Stick right. 45. Weird numbering. Trigger there. So this is Q and E. Yes. Initial stick chain. Save. Let's try again. There we go. Perfect. Wait a second, where are the treasures? I see no treasures. Where was this? Map custom. Create treasures. Generic resources positions. Treasures quantity 6. There should be 6. Resources position lists. Okay. Okay, where are the treasures? Treasure chest. What? I can't see it. Why? Missing prefab. What? That's crazy. So where is the terrain? Terrain somethings. Terrain resources. Treasure chest. Model. Why? What? Shader not found. PBR. What? PBR graph not found. Let's see. There we go. There is a treasure. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Okay, I found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. 6. Okay, why not add more? Let's add 8. 8 treasures. Okay, so there is one more bug I should fix. That is I can't select the cards anymore. Fix card selection bug. Center. So I can select the cards. Oh, but I clicked this. Wait a second. Now it's fixed. Oh, that means it was because... Wait a second. This isn't working. Build graph clicked. Okay, so I can click these guys. Visual scripting graph. There. Player. Village. So script graph. There. Set up building construction. Okay, let's click this. What? Build graph clicked. Village. What's going on? So this is this. Create building ghost. Create building ghost. This here. Click card, building prefab by building type. Card template, village. Village 1. Village building type. Village. There we go. So what's the matter? Instantiate. So there should be a village instantiated. Yes, there it is. What in the wick is this? village 3, selection shape, model. Okay. Oh, but wait a second, why is this? I'll be right back. So let's see. This is not a card selection bug. This is a building bug. See here? I can click on them, or can I? I can drag them. So there is something wrong with this. There is something wrong. What could it be? So it never changes. Oh, wait a second. There it changes. Good, that's good. There. Tower. Where did you go? What? Box collider. So shader graph. Oh, look at this hidden internal error shader. Depth, and this is an intersection shader. Okay. Look at this, super complex. Regenerate. Recompile. Last import generated 2 errors. Okay, let's check them. custom shaders on line 25. Parse error, syntax error, unexpected. Custom shaders, intersection shader. Failed. Okay. So where is this? Line 25. Here. Unexpected. Why it's unexpected? Why? Intersection shader. Vector. Okay, let's do shader graph. Custom unlit depth intersection. This is not it. Shader graph. So this is a material. Why is it called shader? Let's change the name. Material. Generate. Okay. Open shader editor. Okay. This is a material. Let's try. There. What's going on? Okay. So it's working, but Something's wrong. Terrain collider. What type of include layers? Can I see the colliders? No materials. Provides contacts. Default, ignore raycast. Collider holder. Building. Wait, building place a creek building. Close building collider. What's this? Enable false. True. Close building, what's that? So that's the building placer. Building placer. Oh look, the east and west. Building placer. Oh, that one. Sphere collider. Rigid body. Oh, I forgot the F and the R. Right. So anyway, get current building. Can I have an update method here? Update. There. Screen point to ray. Hit. Terrain. Oh, mask terrain. Terrain mask. Layer mask. But look, terrain. Let's change this here and let's see if that works. So this, there we go. That was the problem. I changed this and I forgot to change this, so let's change it now. So it's custom input actions. You should go east and west. East and west. Let's see. East is no, east and west. East. So let's do C and X, right? C and X. B, no. Left control and Alt X, left Alt, okay. Control and Alt. That's good enough. Control and Alt. Feels a bit weird, but maybe it can work. There it works fine. So I need width and there. There you go. So here I have stone width and that thing. The face. Oh, I need to get rid of that thing. Oh, you need to attack, man. There. Come on, attack. There. Throw up a rock to a single enemy. Let's check this out. Okay, so that was fixed. This looks nice. Okay, card selection bug was fixed. This is done for the time being. Paint new textures. I need to add sounds, I need to adjust the resource selection shape, I need to add tooltips, I need to add resource cards, and that's it. Okay. Oh, wait a second. I'm getting distracted. So let's close that and that and that and that. Okay, I need to change the resource selection of the buildings. Maybe add more shapes. so that they are more interesting. What's this? Anyway, so this is huge. That's really huge. Huge. So what could I do with this? Should be smaller. Okay, so this is like a line, right? Yeah, like a line. I don't need you. Don't save. Buildings. Village. So the selection shape is models. There, selection shape. The selection shape one is super super there, like this, and not so like that. There, perfect. So let's check it again. I only have two selection shapes. Two selection shapes. There we go. So it looks much better, I think. There we go. So it's a bit more difficult. Oop, there. Yeah, it works fine. The other one is the tower. It's too close. So this one needs a wheat, stone and tree. Wheat, stone and tree. This one. Oh, there. I don't like that. It touches the building, you know. Why does it touch the building? Selection shape 1 and 2. This is good. Shader graphs intersection material. My material, rigid body, okay. Let's add a third one. So I have a triangle shape V shape, an O shape. Let's do a V shape. Or an L shape. The thing is that these shapes are super big. An L shape. A triangle shape. Okay, let's try to do this shape. X like this. Okay. Or 30. Okay, let's try to change the tower. Selection shape 2. Selection shape 3, I mean. What? 1? Tower, selection shape 1. Okay. Let's go. Oh, it's what? That's not the one I wanted. Selection shape 3. Oh, it's 2, not 3. By the way, these two guys are just extremely big. So let's change that. 1, whoop, 0.8. Oh. That's like this. Whoop. Okay, never mind. 0.22. Okay, let's go. Tower, V shapes 2. Go. Or maybe I can have one big and one small. A big and a small one. That's awful. No, actually this is not awful. It's kind of funny. There. Wasn't too difficult. Interesting. So what the shoot? Why does it look so weird in the game? What's going on? trigger. Why does it look so weird? What's going on? Whoop! Something wrong is going on. Something wrong is going on here. Pivot local. Well, this doesn't change anything. Isometric. What? What's the meaning of this? Automatic center of mass, yes. Interpolate, collision detection, freeze position, yes, and rotation. Or not, don't freeze. I don't get this. Tower, selection shape 2. Let's see. There. Why does it look so weird? What's going on? Let's see. What's that? Tower. Selection shape. There. What? Shape. But the collider is the green one. What? So I'm changing the collider. Changing the collider. But then it's the shader. Yes, it's the shader. The shader is not great. Intersection shader. Open shader editor. So I have this normal, specular, split, vertex position, object space, Let's try something. Let's try something. Let's go to plugins. All in one. I have the demos. Center. Let's search for a shield. Let's check. I'm gonna use the shader from this plugin instead of my shader, because it seems that when I rotate the object, the collider doesn't shade correctly as I thought it should. So now fix terrain intersection shape. Where is it? There. Explosion. Distort sphere. Blue area. There, green area. Let's get the green area. Green area. Let's check. Green area uses the base. Base 2. What's going on? Oh, wait a second. This is not what I thought. Let's see. Oops. I need the intersection. Sci-fi shield. No, this one, the sci-fi shield. Oops, what? Okay. Okay, continue please. Off. It got broken. So how was it? Intersection shield? There. Sci-fi shield. Red area. Let's see how this works. Red area. Oh, not what I thought. Blue area distorts sphere. Come on, there. Distort sphere. Oh, base. Vertical borders. So it's not what I thought again. There's sci-fi shield. This is the one. Sci-fi shield. Parent. Intersect orb. Intersect orb distance. Whip. So the farther away it looks, HSB shift. What's this? Oh, changes in colors. Intersect orb instance. Intersect orb instance. Camera distance field. Intersection glow. So maybe I could just change this. Okay. If I change that, I'm going to have to change the colors. What's that? Let's change. There. Shaders. So let's see, why is this shader intersection? Transparent color, smoothness, emission, ambient occlusion, specular color. I don't understand. Let's try again. Maybe I'm missing something. crazy. It's all distorted. It's because of this? Is it because of the scale? No. If I change this, it looks fine, but if I rotate it, this changes. There is this, it's the shaders. Force no motion. Default nothing. Okay, default. Crazy. Intersection shader. Surface. Sorting priority. Intersection shader. So is that split RGB? Why? Tangent space fragment, base color, alpha, smoothness, emission, ambient occlusion, specular color, object space. What's going on? Vertex. Material lit. Transparent. Alpha. Render face. Cast shadows. Normal space. Tangent. Nose. Precision. Normal. Tangent. What's tangent? Vertex tangent. Cast shadows. Intersection. No idea. No idea. Transparent intersection. Transparent. Intersection, saturate. No idea. What's going on here? So weird. What's this? Object space. Space. Nothing. Object. Transform. Normal tangent outward. No, I have no idea what I'm doing. Utilities, graphs, vertex. Object space. No, actually you shouldn't change tangent. Properties, mesh deformation, geometry. Okay, I'm gonna ask Grok. I need a shader on the shader graph, but when I rotate the game object, the shader distorts the shape as a cube mesh. Why? Yes, as you can see, the shape is a cube. So why does it get distorted? When the game object, the issue likely stems from how the shader processes vertex, normals or UVs. A cube mesh, which is a simply geometric shape that distorts, suggests the shader is modifying vertex position or coordinates in a way that doesn't account properly for the object's rotation. Below I'll explain common causes and solutions. Incorrect vertex position manipulation. If your graph shader modifies the vertex position via position node in the vertex, it may not account for the object's rotation in world or object space, causing stretching or warping when the cube rotates. Yes, that's the problem. This improper use of normals or tangents. Distortion can occur if the shader manipulates normals or tangents incorrectly, especially in shaders that rely on normal maps or lighting calculations, as these are affected by rotations. World versus object space mismatch. Using world space coordinates without accounting for the object transformation, rotation, scale, position can cause the shader to behave unexpectedly when the game object rotates. Non-uniform scaling. Non-uniform. Custom matrix transformations. Here's how to diagnose and fix the issue. Check vertex stage modifications. In shader graph, inspect the vertex stage. If you're modifying the position node, ensure you're using the correct space, object, world, or view. For a cube, vertex position should typically transform in object space to stay consistent with the mesh geometry. Example fix. Connect the position node set to object space directly to the vertex position. Position node set to object space. Output unless you intentionally want to deform the mesh. If you're applying offsets, use transform nodes to convert between spaces correctly. Okay. Connect the position node directly to the vertex position. Okay, let's see. Position. There. So is that what was missing? Now I can't see anything. Watch. Recompile. Wonderful, doesn't even appear now. So let's see, intersection. This is world, this is object. Let's see. That doesn't change a single thing. View. Doesn't change anything. World. Tangent. Will it blow up? No blow up. Wait a second. Set to object space. Connect the position. There. Predisplacement. Inherit. Object. There, you don't change. You didn't change anything. didn't change anything. There, to the vertex position. Position, let's create a new node. So what position is the geometry position? There, object. Absolute world. Okay, bro. Object. Nothing changed. Normals. Correct space, object or tangent. If normals, use transform node. Normals from object to world space. Object before passing to the fragment stage. Normals are not distorted. Transform nodes to convert normals from object to worlds. No. Scaling. Non-uniform scaling can cause vertex. No. I don't want to. Reset the scale to uniform values and bake the scale into the mesh. Bake to mesh. Transform component. Bake to mesh. That's a thing? Where is bake to mesh? First time I've seen that. Where is bake to mesh? Reset the scale to uniform. Click the gear icon in the transform component. What gear icon? There is no gear icon. Blah, 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 blah. Normal distortion, no. So it seems that I shouldn't use non-uniform scale, and that's the solution. That would be the solution. Let me check. It's still broken. Billings. can I use a different shape? Stick, cylinder. This is driving me a bit mad. There. Look at that, it's so distorted. Okay. Wait. Ah. Why does it show like that? This is a cube, so it should show a cube. But this is not a cube. What's going on? X, Y, Z. Y. What? So this is a perfect triangle. Why is this? This isn't a perfect triangle. It's like distorted. Let's do this. See what happens. Now it's all broken. Okay, let's remove it. Why? Intersection shader. Default. What's going on with you? 010101. One there. What? Oh, I know. That's the reason. Okay, let's try this once again. Let's go 0.1. No, let's change this. So let's see. So this is plus whoop, whoop. There we go. That's what I want. Copy, world transform, paste, world transform. I just want this and this. So let's change selection shape 1, selection shape 2, selection shape 3. There we go. Let's try once again. Let me check it, because the parent transform has non, how is it called? Non, how was it called? Non-uniform scale, even though the children game objects have uniform scales. Got it. Yes, yes, yes. So, what? Oh. Something's missing there. Let's see what's going on. Oh, it's super small. That's the problem. So let's just increase it. Brrr. Should I do it like this? No. Whoa. 052 52. There we go. Okay, 052. Wait a second. Okay, I think I ruined something. Oh, I completely forgot what I was supposed to do. Look at this. Look at this. Man, I should just take this here. So let's move you, no, let's move you there, 0.5, oops, let's 0.5 and 0.5, 0.5 and 0.5, think that's super small. Okay, this is fixed. Adjust new cell. Selection shapes. There. Whoop. All right, is that big enough? Two point three. 2.3 and 2.3. Let's see. Let's go 2.3 and you go 2.3 minus 2.3. Yes, so I guess you go 1 here and you go 1 like that. Okay, enough. Let's try that. Why does it look like that? Oh, that's why. There. Can I just move this guy here just to try? Let's see. There. Override all. Let's go. Okay. So width, tree and stone. Oh, look at that. There I have, oh, close. Oh. So I think it should be a bit more separated. Instead of 30, of separation. Let's do 45. 45. Yeah, that makes more sense. And minus 45. X. Is this correct? I'm not sure. No, wait a second. This is wrong. X and C. Wait a minute. No, this is wrong. Let's move this guy like this. Let's do 2, 2, and 2. Right? And this is 2 and 2. Let's try that. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna disconnect in half an hour or 20 minutes. Alright, this makes more sense. Oops. So I have a tree, a stone, and wheat. What? I have wheat. I have wheat. What's wrong with this? Okay, one of these guys doesn't want to get detected. There. Selection shape, rigid body. What's the matter with you? Oh, look. One is enabled, the other is not. Let's get you. Let's try again. Save, please. Whoa. So we have almost oh, almost. Oh no. So I have this. Wait a second. Okay. So I'm not sure if this is fun or not. Are people going to like it? I don't know. That's like too difficult, you know. You have to match precisely the shape. Okay, should I give up? Maybe I should make them a bit longer. Okay, that's like too difficult. There. Whoop, no. X. There. Now it's too easy. Let's play. Oof, that's huge. Okay, so I need a stone with there. I can get this with only one. Now they are too long. Oh, but here, there, perfect. Okay, just a little bit less, not so long. Yikes, there. There. So let's see. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, I can't. There. Maybe I can use that. Oh, almost. Maybe I can use these guys. No, I can't. There. Oh, yes. Okay, so that wasn't too hard. Okay, good enough. So this is very easy because the selection shape is super long. And I have this selection shape that is selection shape number 2. I mean shape 3, not 2. So let's change this to 3. Whoop, 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 whoop. Selection shape 1 and 2. Let's make this big. Oh, look. Okay, so we have that. What's going on here? Okay. Okay, so this is 3. Maybe 4. And this is 4. 1, 12, 2. 1, 12, and 2. Okay. So 4. Oops. Whoops. Copy. World transform. Selection shape 3. Let's just copy. Paste. World transform. Excuse me? What are you doing? What are you even doing there? That's like too much, but at least I have these shapes. So there. You were 4, I guess. 4 and -4. Let's see if that looks good here. Oh, that's the separation. It is a bit too much. So let's do a 2, maybe a 2, 2 -2. There. Let's try that. Let's see. Okay. Tower. Okay, that works. Works fine, I guess. Oh, yes, it works fine. Wait. Works fine. Let's see, so we have wheat, stone. Oh, I can't. Wheat and stone. There. Wheat, stone, and tree. Let me see it closer. There we go. Yeah, so it wasn't that difficult. Okay, so let's do another shape and that's it. What other shape? I have the I shape, the V shape is there, the O shape, the C shape, very similar to the V shape, and then the L shape. The L shape. Let's do an L shape. There. No, wait. Let's use this one. Okay, let's use this one. So this is very similar. The only difference is that this guy is right there. Wait, should I do it like this maybe? There. Let's try that. Tower shape 4. Let's see. Okay, time to leave this. So I have 4 shapes already. I think that's enough. Nice. It's like a broken shape. So that's more difficult, I think. Maybe I can make this longer. Tree. Let's make that longer. Longer. So, no, not like that. Like that. So we put that there. a little bit. Oops. Let's change the perspective. Oh, there. There we go. So this, oh, I wish I could see the other. Yeah, that works. Maybe that's too long. Okay, let's see this. There, let's see how it looks. Save. You know, the other day in the last few days actually, when I went to sleep, I couldn't sleep because I was programming in my head. But the ugly thing is that the code I programmed didn't make any sense. But there I was working and working without being able to sleep, but none of it made any sense, which sucks. So I think this is really small actually. Wait a second, can I not get this? This is wheat, stone, and that. Oh no, I can't. Wheat, stone. Wheatstone and wheatstone. There. What can I do? This is like too small. Maybe I can do like thinner but longer. Thinner but longer. There, longer. But that's too easy, man, actually. That's making things too easy. I shouldn't do this. No. Wait. Maybe I should just try it. Okay, let's try it. Okay, I think that works fine. So I just have to get Stone, wheat and tree. Stone, wheat and tree. Stone, wheat and tree. Stone, wheat and tree. Oh, too far away. Stone, wheat and tree. There. There. No. Stone, wheat and tree. Come on. Oh, I can't. Maybe this is too difficult. Maybe this is too difficult. Stone, wheat and tree. Stone, wheat and tree. Oh man, there are too few. Too far away, too far apart. Let's change the custom map. Custom map. Randomize resources. Resource positions. Actually, no, 7. So 7. So it's higher, the number is higher. So I should be able to get a bit more resources. Just a little bit more. Okay, maybe I have a little bit more resources now. Wheat tree there. So that was a bit easy. Oh, sometimes they are very far apart. Sometimes they are too far apart. There. Tree there. So if they are not that close, I cannot use this. So this is a bit useless. This shape. Because the only way to use this is to get a chunk of resources like that. A chunk of resources. That's the only way to get unless oh I can't so they are still too few. Anyway, 6. Okay, I think that's enough for today. I think this is a mistake. They are too long. It's like having too long they shouldn't be that long, but maybe I can change these guys like this, and this is closer. Wait, let me do this. So you are there and you are minus 90. There, something like that. Or like this. Okay, I'm gonna try this tomorrow. Okay, thanks